These guys are twice a day. 1 pinch of this food in there. I already fed him in the morning. This water circulates for this aquarium here. Okay, I don't have an automatic top off like I do in the big one. I switch it to the big one. So just try to keep the water in here between these two levels per day. There is reverse osmosis water here. Do it with that cup. So just watch for that every morning. I would just go ahead and put it all the way to the top here. That way, the next day you just fill up to the top again. This aquarium here, feed twice a day. That one, once a day. With this one here, I just usually just take this panel off, put it down here, and that light automatically turns on. The panels has little magnets on there, so leave it on there when you put it back on. Take these two, and a pinch here and a pinch here of this food here. Mix it up with this right here, slur it in there, and then you're gonna press feed mode with the application. I showed you that, and then you're gonna pour it above where that little cool little propeller thing here is at the end there, as it just spits the water out, the food out. Put one on one side and then one on the other. And that aquarium needs a little bit less water. I already mixed it up. I mean, less food, not very much. Like I said, only once a day. You're gonna take it and squirt it over that little propeller here. All right, and that way it sprays it out. Thank you. Just put the lid, this back in here. Sit it where to fit in there. Magnetically attaches, and the light turns off automatically in there.